This is Charlie Studios here. Now this right here on my screen is a piece of work that I am really proud of, because I got to do the designs in less than 24 hours. In fact, I had less than 24 hours to do the designs, but I was able to accomplish it in a matter of few hours. So this, as you can see, this is my Illustrator file to prove complete ownership of the source file, and I really love the outcome in the end. I executed the project neatly according to the directions that they gave and everything. Now, as for a brand that I love their design so much is why not BitGet. I so much love BitGet's branding. Their UI has been an inspiration to me in so many times that I had creativity blocks. And I sampled some of their works on my screen. Let me show them here. These are just a few designs I just picked about here and there. I love BitGet's presentation, the way they use their fonts and their brand. They always make sure that their branding remains consistent, and their choice of artwork, their assets. I just love BitGet branding so much. I even had to do a motion design for them. It was not sponsored, by the way. I wanted to do a style of motion design, and I just decided to use BitGet's brand. Why not? I love the brand so much. As you can see right here, I will display the motion design briefly on my screen. But this right here is my Illustrator. My After Effects screen, just to prove complete ownership of the source file and the design elements. Okay, this is what I do every day. Okay, so thank you very much, and I hope within this short while I was able to elaborate and prove my design skills and proficiency in my various aspects. Illustrator for designs, normal creative marketing designs, and then After Effects for normal motion designs. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one.